Look, I enabled Face ID for the App Store, so I don't have to enter my password every time I download an app. But watch this. Let's try download an app here, but it's still asking for the password. Annoying, right? In this video, I'll show you the real fix, so the App Store never asks for your password again, and you will only use Face ID or fingerprint on some other devices. Let's go. So welcome back, guys. I've already made a video about enabling Face ID for downloads or fingerprints, but many of you said it's not working. Some even said it's fake. Today, we fix that together, step by step. First, we go to the settings, scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode and the use Face ID for make sure iTunes and App Store is turned on. Most people stop here, and then the App Store keeps asking for the password anyway. Here's the extra step Apple hides, and that's what solves the problem. So you'll just toggle it off and then back on. You will be asked to enter the password, and that's it. Enter your password once, and then you'll be able to use Face ID or fingerprint for the next coming downloads or installations, and that's it. Now let's test. I'll download the same app again. No password, Face ID unlocked it instantly. That's how you fix it. Simple and done. If this helped you, smash that like button. It really supports the channel. And if you want more hidden iPhone tricks and fixes like this one, make sure to subscribe because I drop new tips every day. Comment below if it worked for you, or if you want me to cover more iPhone settings like this. See you in the next one.